You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.